Good morning to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlowo Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the economic developer, one of the many voices of TVC around the world. Yeah, in response to some questions I received, I'm doing this short video to acquaint for as many who wants to know how to check their update on the Love coin, the Love token. When you log into your credit card back office, this is the dashboard. There's a lot of information there. So just scroll up, then gradually, then you come to this. It is very visible and boldly written. Then click on visit the KLUV alert page here. Click on the hair. Yeah, it will bring you exactly to the page, and immediately brings the page. It will load the actual and the value of the KLUV coin at that moment. So all you need to do is every time always come here to see it. And if you read if you read what admin posted, it said get on the curtain and get 100 TBC monthly. Wow, 11,111 spots on this team, guys. Admin has been saying this over time. We need to get this curtain filled up for you to have access to continuous receiving of 100 TBC coins monthly. And at the same time, you are indirectly acquiring KLUV for yourself, saving it for yourself. And on January 12th, 2023, you are going to get equal match of KLUV for every TBC you have at that time. Guys, this is wonderful. So for as many TBC coins you have in your wallet, it is the same equivalent number amount that of KLUV that you'll be giving. So guys, as at this time of this broadcast, 100 KLUV today, which is $708.35. Imagine 100 KLUV that you are getting today is that you cannot imagine how much it will be if the KLUV becomes $100 per one or even more. So guys, this is a wonderful investment, as people in quote call it. Why? Because the KLUV is a public coin. TBC is never an investment. It is an empowerment opportunity. So don't forget that, guys. But having the investment mindset, by the time you now continue to be faithful, committed to the cause of TBC, and you are paying your program fee regularly monthly, being a member and part of the core team. Core team is, you need to make a commitment to be a member of the core team. Why? Because you are to pay your program fee monthly regularly. So by this, you are securing yourself 100 TBC coins per month, and automatically equivalent to the value of the KLUV. So guys, don't forget, by January 12th, 2023, all that has been accrued unto us, the KLUV will be paid out. Guys, we can't wait to that day. So don't dull yourself. Don't dull yourself. Come on board. Now, under it, that's the timer to the day that the KLUV will be released unto us all. So guys, don't dull yourself. Come on board. Join the core team today. Desire and determine to always pay your program fee with cryptos. And don't forget, as from next month, there will no more be any uh reward for any other payment except members of the core team. So guys, it's worth it. The little spot left, do all within your best to be part of them. Thank you all. I wish you a wonderful day. And don't forget, for as many who are here to subscribe to this channel, click on that button by your right hand side. Subscribe to it to always get a first hand notification whenever any other video is being posted. Thank you. Don't forget, KLUV, secure your spot in the core team. Thank you guys. Bye for now.